everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Hola mis cariños, bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you a traditional rice and bean dish from Cuba called Moros y Cristianos. And depending on what part of Cuba you're from, you may call it Congri or Congris. So this dish is really easy to make. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more dishes like this one. Hoy les traigo una receta muy tradicional de Cuba, un plato típico de Cuba, se llama Moros y Cristianos. Muchos lo conocen como Congri dependiendo dónde vive en Cuba. Pero antes de comenzar, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana si quiere ver más recetas cubanas como esta. And the term Congri is so confusing because some people use red beans when they make Congri. And then some people use black beans. So it depends where you live at. For the ingredients, I'm using 1 cup of cooked Cuban black beans, and I have a video on how to make this. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll leave a video card at the end of the video so you can click on it. I'm also using 2 to 2.5 cups of bean broth. This is about 2 cups, but I'm probably gonna use a little more. I'm using 2 cups of washed rice, white rice, bacon. Along with that, I'm using 5 Ajices Cachuchas sweet peppers. These are Cuban peppers or Caribbean peppers. And if you can't find those, because they are difficult to find in the United States, you can use bell peppers. You can use half of a green bell pepper and half of a red bell pepper. I'm using half of an onion and 4 garlic cloves minced. Along with that, I'm using some dry seasoning. Using 1 tablespoon of Sazón completa, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Now, my beans are already flavored, so that's the reason why I'm using less seasoning, dry seasoning for my rice. Si no puede encontrar ají dulces, ají cachuchas, puede usar ají pimiento verde o pimiento rojo. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making my sofrito. I'm starting off by frying up my bacon, and I'm using turkey bacon because it's more healthier. Traditionally, pork bacon is used, and lard is also used in this recipe. But I'm going the healthier route, so I'm using olive oil. Vamos a preparar nuestro sofrito. En esta receta, tradicionalmente, tocino de cerdo y manteca se utilizan, pero en este caso, estoy usando tocino de pavo y aceite de oliva porque son más saludables. So we're going to just fry this for about 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. Tapamos y cocinar esto durante 2 minutos. Siguiente, voy a echar 2 tazas de arroz lavado y incorporarlo con el sofrito para que absorba el sabor. Ahora voy a agregar mi condimento seco. 1 cucharada de sazón completa, 1 cucharadita de comino, 1 cucharadita de orégano, y sal y pimienta al gusto. Next, I'm going to add in my dry seasoning, and that is the 1 tablespoon of sazón completa, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste. So now I'm going to take the rice and put it into a bigger pot. Ahora voy a poner el arroz en una olla más grande. Now I'm adding 1 cup of cooked beans. And if you wish to add more beans to your rice, you can. Ahora voy a agregar 1 taza de frijoles cocidos. Si quiere poner un poquito más, dale. One tip that I want to share with you is that if you want your Moros y Cristiano to come out dark, or even your Congri to come out dark, you have to use the broth from the beans. You can't use water. Un consejo para hacer Moros y Cristiano o Congri es que tiene que usar el caldo de frijoles para que tu arroz sea oscuro. No se puede usar agua. Now I'm just going to test my broth to see if I need any more seasoning to my broth. And if it's okay, then I'm going to cover it up. But if you need to add more at this point, just add it. Because once your Moros y Cristiano is cooked, then it's kind of hard to add the flavor afterwards. Continuación, estoy chequeando mis sabores para ver si necesito agregar algo más. Si necesitas agregar más condimento seco, hazlo. Es difícil agregarlo después. Now you want to flip the rice from the bottom to the top so that the rice can cook evenly. Ahora tiene que voltear el arroz para que se pueda cocinar uniformemente. Sometimes people find it difficult to make rice and beans together. Either they say it's too hard, some of the rice is too soft, or it's just overcooked. And if you're one of those people, you can make this dish in a rice cooker. Algunas personas tienen problema para hacer arroz y frijoles en la olla. A veces es demasiado duro o blando. Puede cocinarlo en una arrocera y saldrá perfecto. So it's been 30 minutes, and now I'm just going to fluff my rice up and serve it. Pasado 30 minutos y el arroz está listo. For this dish, you can use any type of rice. You can use long grain rice, short grain rice, parboiled rice will work also for this dish. Para esta receta se puede utilizar cualquier tipo de arroz, grano corto, grano largo o grano parbolizado. Well, guys, here's my delicious Moros y Cristiano. I'm having fried chicken with mine tonight, along with corn on the cob and carrots. Bueno, mis cariños, aquí tiene mi Moro y Cristiano. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario. Si te gusta más videos como así, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Y visitar mi nuevo grupo de Facebook, se llama Cooking the Cuban Way. Well, guys, it's time for me to go. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any videos. And if you're on Facebook, stop by my Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. And to see more Cuban rice recipes, visit my playlist on my YouTube channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.